The Chapter 8 Mexican Connection Rally registration opens in less than a week. Interest in this year's rally is running high, and like previous rallies, it is expected to sell out. The purpose of this video is to provide you with 4 tips to make the registration process quick and efficient. First, go to the Chapter 8 website and download and read the rally cover letter. It contains essential information about the rally. During the registration process, you will be asked if you read and agreed to the conditions for participation in the rally. Fill out and use the practice rally registration form. Print out the completed practice registration form and refer to it as you register for the rally. Gather essential information. This includes your escapee's skip number. Remember, you must be an Escapees RV Club member to attend the rally. Additional information you will need is the make and model of your RV, the license plate of your RV or trailer, and the length of your RV and the width with slides open. Have your credit card ready to enter information during payment. These 4 tips will enable you to quickly and easily register for the Chapter 8 Mexican Connection Rally. Registration starts September 1 at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Remember, adjust for your time zone. And we'll see you at the rally.